Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing good at your sides. We are moving towards our unit number 4, which is squares and square root. What are square? Actually, square is a shape which have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. But as the other concept, we have square comes whenever a number multiplies with itself, then it will give the square of that number. We have some vocabulary: square, perfect square, square root, prime factorization, division. These are all the vocabulary related with squares. So whenever we have a number multiplied with itself, it will become the square of that number. Now, what is perfect square? When a number is multiplied with itself, the product is known as square of that number. For example, whenever we multiplied a number with the number itself, it will gives us the square of that number. Means we can say that 4 is square of 2. And same in the case, we can say that 9 is square of 3. So 4 is square of 2 and 9 is square of 3. Understand? Now coming towards square root, as 7 multiplies 7 gives us 49. So we can say that 49 is a perfect square and 49 is square of 7. In the other case, we can say that 7 is square root of 49. Means 49 is perfect square, 49 is also a square of 7, and in case of square root, we will say that 7 is square root of 49, and for square root we use this symbol for square root. We can also write it as under root 49. Means 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 49. So we will write 49 in place of 7 multiplied by 7, or 7 multiplied by 7 in place of 49, and its value is 1/2. Square root is actually 1/2. It will gives us 2 times 7 means 7 square, and in place of sign of square root we can write it as 1/2. Alright, 2 cancels with 2, we are left with 7. Understand? So we can say that 7 is square root of 49. Means by solving square root of 49 we will get 7 as our square root. Understand? Students, you have to complete the tables from page number 51 as your homework. Complete this table on your books and do send me the picture of your homework also. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.